Hi everyone, I'm back and today I'm going to be making chocolate cake. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Half cup of olive oil, 1 cup of water, 3 whole eggs, 1 packet of chocolate cake mix. You can get the chocolate cake mix from any grocery store. It weighs about 430 grams. Let's make the cake mix now. Let's mix everything together. All the ingredients are nicely mixed for about 10 minutes. I'm going to let it sit for another 10 minutes. I'm going to preheat the oven now. Let's press bake. Let's put it at 350 degrees and let's press start. While we are waiting on the oven, let's put a thin layer of oil in the baking tray. Let's rub the oil on all parts of the baking tray. We're doing this to prevent the cake from sticking to the tray. Now let's put the cake mix in the baking tray. I like cashew nuts, so I'm going to put them in my cake. If you don't like cashew nuts or you are allergic, you don't need to. Wow, this looks great! Let's put it in the oven now. We will leave the cake mix in the oven. We will check back after 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes now. Now let's check on the cake. It looks like it's done. Yup, it's done. Let's eat it now. Here's a quick tip. Put a toothpick in the cake, and if there's no cake mix sticking to it, then your cake is done. Wow, this smells amazing. Let's have a bite. Wow, this tastes amazing. I want everyone to try this at home and tell me how you feel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Also, if you want me to cook anything specific, please let me know in the comment section.